Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to make toasted English muffins with butter and jam using proloquo. So let's get started.
I
need. So now go to the food button at the bottom here. Go to the arrow button at the lower right corner. Go to breakfast.
English muffin.
English muffin. Go to the more button.
Butter.
Butter.
Jam.
Jam. Go to the home button right here. Go to food. Go to the more button. Cooking utensil.
Toaster.
Toaster. Toaster. Go to the home button. Go to food. The more arrow key. Eating utensils.
Dishes.
Dishes.
Knife.
Two knives. 1, 2. And I put the muffin on the plate. And right now I need to separate the muffins. So I'm going to use a butter knife and press in to the middle, going around and separating the two halves. Okay, now I'm going to put my muffins into the toaster. Going to turn it on by pressing the lever to go down. And now it's being heated. And we'll have to wait until the muffin pops up. Okay, so now the muffins are done. So we have to be careful because the muffins could be hot. I'm taking out the muffins and putting it on my plate. Here are the muffins, the one muffin with the two halves here. Taking out a clean butter knife, one of my clean butter knives. Taking out the butter. Putting it on the muffin. And I'm spreading it on the muffin. I'm spreading it all the way to the edge of the muffin. Now I'm putting this knife in the sink because it's dirty. Grab the other one, the other clean knife. Taking out the jelly. Putting it on this other muffin, the other half. Spreading it. Spreading it all the way to the edge. Just like that. Now I'm putting the two halves together. And then I'm going to eat it. I'm going to go to describe right here.
I. Happy.
Happy. And I can't remember how to describe that I thought the muffin was delicious. I can go to the four little boxes right here at the bottom. Go to the search button. And I had already put in taste. Describe. More button. Taste. Taste.
Delicious.
Delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time.